this week we're tackling a laundry sorting center for our friend. We're the White family. We live in rural Alaska, and for us, it's DIY all day, every day. So one of my good friends who's another mom, and she happens to be the wonderful person behind the camera that does all the video editing, she asked me 2 years ago to help her with a laundry center, and we got the plans rolling, but then we had a baby and she's busy and we put out a video every week, and we just never got around to it. So this week we decided, let's go ahead and tackle that laundry center. It's basically a laundry sorter cabinet with a countertop and then like a pull-out drawer for the bins that she bought. Now I want to keep this cabinet really lightweight so it's easy to use, but I want it to still be strong. So we're going to use 1x material, which I've cut it all out here, and we're going to pocket hole it all together so that I can get nice flat seams because she's limited on space. So there's going to be 2 parts to it. There's the actual table that she'll be able to fold the laundry on, and then there'll be the drawer part, which is like a big cart that the bins go into. So right now I'm going to go ahead and work on building that table. So I'm using 1x4s for the legs, and we're pretty fortunate to get really good 1x4s locally, and so I got to use one of these and one of these. But you can buy these right off the shelf. They should be about $5 for an 8-foot board. So what I've done is the 1x4 boards, and then I'm going to go ahead and do this kind of thing to make the side panels. But I just wanted to point out we've also got a pocket hole that's pointing up, and I'll put that one at the top, and that's so I can attach the tabletop in later steps. So I'm going to get busy and build those 2 leg sets right now. Gotta make it nice because my video editor is going to watch me build this and edits the video. Okay, so I have on the plans a 3.5-inch space underneath. Okay, so there's one, and I'll just build one more exactly like it. So there's the 2 side frames done, and now I'm going to start adding the aprons to make it look like a table. So I'll just start with one. And I got these guys, and I just want to show you, I've got pocket holes pointing up for attaching the tabletop in later steps. Just like this. Okay, so that's the frame, the cabinet, and she'll be able to fold her clothes on top of this, so I need to make a tabletop. So we've got a 1x8 on the middle, and then 1x6s, and I'm just going to go like that, and then flip it over and attach it. So the tabletop's done. Now I'm just gonna put the base on top of it upside down and attach it. All right, we got that top attached. And let's see how it looks first. This will be the folding top. And now I just got to make the cart that sits inside and pulls out. So this is the pieces for the cart, and this will be the front of it. And we're just using the same method of building it as we did the tabletop. These are 1x3s. I'm trying to make the pull-out cart as lightweight as possible, so it's as easy as possible to pull out the cart. Alright, so we got the two frames done for the cart, and just like the countertop, I'm going to put these guys on like this. Okay, so I'm just going to attach the other side. Okay, so we got the cart all done and framed out. We got to add a bottom to it, and our original plan was to use 3/4 inch plywood in here, but I couldn't find a piece that was handy. But we had a bunch of these 1x8 pieces handy left over from my son's sport bed build. So I'm just going to use those because it doesn't need a full bottom, and these are lighter weight, so it'll take some of the weight down. So we just pocket hold on the bottom and just make it nice and square. Starting to look like a laundry center. This cart will fit in here, and these bins will fit inside, and the cart's actually going to be elevated up on casters, but you'll still be able to throw laundry in without pulling it out. It's looking good. I'm really excited about the project. So I'm going to go ahead and get it all sanded up and stain it up and put the hardware on it. Going to put the stain on. We chose golden oak, so we'll see how it looks. Oh yeah. It's a really nice neutral light brown, the golden oak color on softwood. The good news with a color like this, if it's too light, it's very easy just to add another coat to get the color you want. Just enough to make the grain pop.
Looks nice, huh?
Yeah, almost like a waxed pine finish. So it's one of my favorites because it's real light, but it enough to make, you know, wood look like wood. The cart's all done, so I'm just gonna throw some casters on the bottom. This will support the majority of the weight of the laundry center. And they are the fixed casters, so they'll only roll in and out. It won't roll side to side. So the cart's gonna go in like this, and you can pull it out and then access the laundry bins and then put it back in. But I want it to be really easy to do, so I'm gonna add some drawer slides just to kind of guide the cart as it goes back into the folding counter. That way it never gets jammed, and it makes the process very simple. project's all done. It looks really good. I'm just going to see if the baskets fit and if everything works. So I'm going to add some handles to the front. Get everything right. And my friend, she just got these baskets right off Amazon.
Looks good.
Yeah. So that I always store your laundry and put it back in. We purposely left this space as big as possible just so that it's easy to sort laundry. And then the tabletop is good for folding laundry. So I really like this design. I've seen similar things that you can buy at different stores, but they're always really flimsy and they're not very attractive looking. This looks like a nice custom piece of furniture in your laundry room, and it's very sturdy and it's very easy to work with, and it adds that beautiful wood texture that we're all trying to get in our homes.
Everybody's wondering what the ruckus is when we're filming. There it is. Hi, Abby. Abby.
Okay, let's put these on. Silver would be good too. I have a lot of these black ones. That.
Couple of black ones.
Yeah, we need to put two on so you can grab it with both hands because you really do want to grab it. So we also built this shelf for my friend, and I don't think she's gonna. Are you gonna hang it that high? So kind of the thought process behind it as you're folding laundry. Let's say you get a shirt or something that needs to be hung, and you can just hang it right here. And I have something similar in my laundry room and in my guest room, and it works really well because I just hang, like I'll hang all of my daughter's clothes on this row of hooks here, and maybe all my sons here and all my husband's here. And then when it's time to put the clothes away, I'm like, Grace, go get your clothes. And she just grabs the whole bundle and takes it to her closet. So it's really effective. It disappears when you're not using it, and it's a functional shelf on top. And it's kind of pretty. So I think it's just a big win-win. Very, very simple build. Another project completed this week. It turned out really, really well. You saw me doing most of the building. Jacob was helping behind the scenes and taking care of the baby, and also prepping a lot of the steps for me so it looks easy when I do it. So he's a big part of this project too, so I made him be in the outro. Yeah, so this slides actually really well, and I'm really confident that if I put out plans, you guys are going to love them, so I'm going to do that. You can find the plan link in the description. Now that this is built, I just can see a lot of options for something like this in like a built-in cabinet. Yeah, like you could just leave an opening in your built-in laundry cabinets and throw a drawer slide and a cart in there.
Could be a recycle center.
Oh, that is a really good one. So, and another thing that I love about this project is it was pretty inexpensive to build. We're going to share the plans so that you can build it and save tons of money to retail, and also get a dream laundry room, even on a small budget. So check the description out below. If you do like this plan and you like this video, please give us a thumbs up or leave a comment. It lets us know we're going in the right direction and we're providing the right content for you guys. And it just feels good to know that people are watching our videos and liking them, like we matter. So thank you. So we shall see you next Monday. Have a good week.
See you.
Hello, Anna and Jacob fans. I am a huge fan of theirs too. They're my good friends, and I am Jen, the person behind the camera, part of the time. But Anna and Jacob do a lot of their own filming, and I have the job of editing, and I love my job, and I just love seeing what sort of creative content they come up with every week. And this week, they decided to take on the laundry center. I absolutely love it. And I built this shelf above, I don't know, a few years ago, and I think I'm gonna leave that in place because it works really well for what I'm using it for. And then the floating shelf with dowels I will put on this other wall here. And my laundry room is not very big, but this has completely cleaned it up. You should have seen my laundry room 3 days ago. I'm super embarrassed, but this is the reality. I have a family of 5. I have 3 little children and a construction worker husband who is completely filthy every day. And I hate doing laundry. So I am already excited to see how well it has cleaned up this little space, and I think that I'm gonna change my mind about laundry after this. So I hope you guys build it, you're gonna love it, and we will all see you guys next week. Thanks for watching.